This little box is going to transform my BMW.
This is my BMW M235I, and today we're installing a mod I've waited so long to put on. The mod we're putting on today is actually the M4 CSL Style LED DRLs. These are inspired by the new M cars, and more specifically, the M4 CSL. These type of M4s come with the yellow daytime running lights that just give off that more aggressive look, rather than the boring white ones, like mine. I don't know about you guys, but whenever I see a G80 with yellow DRLs, I jizz my pants a little bit. So hopefully, by installing this kit today, you too will be jizzing your pants when you see my car. So, let's get started. So, in this box is actually 2 packets containing 4 little circuit boards, if you can see in there. These circuit boards are actually going to go into these metal units that house the old circuit boards. And basically, what it's going to do is going to tell the ECU or whatever that I no longer want white ones. I want the LEDs to show up yellow. That's kind of how it works. I mean, I don't really know. I'm kind of just assuming. But yeah, let's get started installing them. So the first thing we need to do is unscrew all 4 of these metal things on both headlights. So these screws I'm unscrewing here.
No, you didn't.
Yes, guys, we've just lost a screw. All right, Leo, put it back in this one. Right, so what we're going to do now is we need to unscrew these screws and take out this little circuit board. And we'll replace it pretty much with the new one. And then one of the angel lights will be yellow CSL style. Which way does it go? Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Right, guys, we got it off, as you can see.
Sure.
Leo got it off. And what we're doing right now is we're like chiseling off the old thermal paste because it left a bit of residue, as you can see. So we're chiseling that off. Only a little bit. We don't need to go ham. And then what we're going to do now is we're going to, we're going to put thermal paste on the new one.
Oh, wow.
For like a doctor with a syringe. Alright, so we are applying the thermal paste to the bottom of this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Don't put too much.
I've used way too much. Bro, there's caked in it. Okay, so I didn't actually mention this, but put the thermal paste on, then you put it back on the metal thing, you screw it on, then you put the metal thing back in the headlight, making sure to plug in your new chip, and you're good to go. There's one. You just repeat the process for the other 3, and you've got yellow lights. Right on. Is it yellow? Ooh. Oh, sick. Guys, we just turned on the car after putting one in, and I think it looks insane. We're gonna, well, look, we got to get to work and do the others, so. All right, here's number 2 going in. Now the full right side headlight is completed. Oh shit, they look really good. Okay. Yeah, I mean, look, the thing is, there's a white strip up here that we're gonna code out tomorrow with Bimmer code. All right, let's get to work on the other ones. This is actually so easy. I know it would be. Okay, they're now installed. And as you can see, they're all put away. They're all put away. So, the lights are now yellow. But, as I said earlier, that there was a little white strip up here. That is what we're going to do right now. We're going to code that out, and then I'll show you guys the finished product. Right, so what we're going to do now is we are going to go on Bimmer code, which is a little coding software for BMWs. And we're going to code out the top white strip of light. I'm not actually sure how to do this. And well, I do know I have to be in expert mode, which can really mess up your car. So, I'm going to link a video in the description on where I got how to do this from. But I'm not going to show you because I don't want to mess up your guys' car. So, I'm going to do it and I'll get back to you. And while we're here, when in Rome, we might as well just start coding little things on my car. Like, I know we can like get Rolls Royce chimes and stuff. Why not? So, we're all done, and well, I might as well show you what I have coded in. So, if I just turn on the car, you should see, well, you've just heard the Rolls Royce chimes. Is that a bit gimmicky? I'm not doing it because I think I'm trying to pretend it's Rolls Royce. I'm doing it because I prefer the sound. Let me know what you guys think. Should I keep that Rolls Royce chime? See if we can get another one. Should I keep this sound right here? Or should I go back to the normal BMW? All right then, well, it's time for the big reveal. let's reveal it in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. There it is, guys. There is the reveal. What do you guys think? I think they look absolutely so insane, and just look how aggressive they look. There's Leo, but they just look so aggressive, and especially in this sick little area we found. Sunset's about to set. We're gonna get some good photos with the yellow DRLs. I think this is gonna look absolutely insane, guys. So yeah, honest opinions. What do you guys actually think about the yellow DRLs? I think I'm a bit in love. This is easily the best mod I've ever done. And we're working with a company as well to get these yellow DRLs for you guys really, really cheap. I mean, I got these for cheap from this company and the other ones are like £300. So yeah, I got these extremely cheap, and we all know I'm a bit of a cheapskate. So I'll try and get these for you guys as cheap as possible. Anyway, guys, that is the end of the video. I really, really hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to watch a video of me and Leo putting on the diffuser, then click up there. Otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys later. Goodbye, guys.